Have you ever imagined a planet orbiting a black hole? It may sound impossible, but new research suggests that supermassive black holes could actually have planets around them. Scientists believe that the enormous disks of gas surrounding active black holes may contain enough material to create not just a few planets, but potentially millions or even billions of them. Right now, we have not discovered any planets orbiting black holes, but if planets can exist in places as extreme as these, then maybe the universe is far stranger than we ever imagined. That brings us to one of the most incredible discoveries in astronomy, the very first exoplanet ever discovered. Before 1992, astronomers had never confirmed the existence of a planet outside our solar system. Many scientists believed that they existed, but nobody had actually found one. That changed in 1992. Astronomers discovered not one, but several planets orbiting an object called PCR B1257+12. This was shocking because it was not a normal star, it is a pulsar. A pulsar is the dead core of a massive star that exploded in a supernova long ago. The star collapsed into an incredibly dense object called a neutron star. Imagine squeezing the mass of the Sun into a sphere only about 20 kilometers across. A pulsar spins extremely fast and sends powerful beams of radiation into space. So the first alien worlds ever discovered were not orbiting a warm yellow sun. They were orbiting a dead star. One of these worlds is known as PCR B1257+12b. But what could it actually be like to stand on this world? Imagine stepping onto the surface. The first thing you would notice is the darkness. There would be no bright sun rising in the sky. Instead, above you hangs a tiny but incredibly powerful dead star. The sky could appear dark and cold. Stars would shine brightly, even during the daytime. But every fraction of a second, invisible beams of radiation from the pulsar would sweep through space like a giant cosmic lighthouse. If these beams were visible to human eyes, the sky might constantly flash with ghostly blue or white light. The landscape itself would likely be barren and lifeless. There may be vast plains of dark rock stretching toward the horizon. There are no oceans, no forests, no signs of life, only silence. The surface would probably be extremely cold, and the radiation coming from the pulsar would make survival impossible for humans. Standing here would feel lonely. You would be standing on one of the strangest worlds ever discovered, a planet orbiting the remains of a dead star. Yet somehow, against all odds, this planet exists. And if planets can survive around a dead star, could they also exist around black holes? Scientists now think the answer might be yes. If future telescopes discover planets orbiting black holes, those worlds could become some of the most extraordinary places in the universe. Imagine looking up from the surface of such a planet and seeing a giant glowing ring of gas surrounding a supermassive black hole, a sky unlike anything humanity has ever seen. The universe continues to surprise us, and perhaps somewhere out there, hidden in the darkness around a black hole, entire worlds are waiting to be discovered.